Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. This is the Hair Guru Carla and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I am doing another alopecia makeover. This style can go for people with hair and people with alopecia. But y'all know my model. She's been on this channel so many times. She gets her hair done every 2 weeks and she demands whatever she wants, whatever hairstyle she wants. I have to do it. I can't even argue anymore. I just do what she asks. So today we are doing a bun with a bang. That's what she wanted to try in this video. So y'all stay tuned in and y'all will see how the style has been achieved. So in this video, I am using a frontal and a pack of 10-inch Ultra purple pack here. The frontal has been used a couple of times for previous hairstyles. So, I advise my client to use the frontals or the closure until it's patched out. When I say patched out, it's bald. But sometimes I can cut off the lace that's bald and use it as just parts. In some of my previous videos, y'all can go see how I did that. So we are using the frontal and a pack of 10-inch purple pack to achieve this hairstyle. Ladies, do not throw your frontals or your closures away after the first use. To save y'all some money, y'all can use these frontals many times. Unless, like I say, it's a bad frontal and it's been bald everywhere. But you can reuse your frontals more than once. So I'm using my Guru Grip as usual. So I also forgot to mention I'm having a Christmas sale Wednesday the 16th of December. Y'all do not miss out on that sale. Another 50% off if y'all want to buy merchandise to give as gifts or for yourselves. If y'all catch the sale, y'all will have y'all merchandise before Christmas, way before Christmas. So don't forget, don't miss out on my 50% off sale Wednesday, December 16th. You don't need no coupon. The prices are 50% off. So y'all take advantage of the sale and don't miss out. But in the meantime, y'all stay tuned into the video and I hope y'all enjoy. added one track to match the bun. The bun is a 1B30 and the bang was just 1B. So I wanted the bang to match with the bun. Also, I wanted the bang a little bit more fuller, so I added one piece to make the hair fuller and to match to the bun. This is the ending of the video. Y'all can let me know what y'all think. Y'all can leave y'all comment in the comment section. Also, for those who bought merchandise, y'all can please leave me a feedback, a review in the comment section. Let me know how the products is working for y'all. And also, don't forget, I have a Christmas sale coming up Wednesday on the 16th of December, half off of everything. I also have new merchandise, so y'all can check that out. Do not miss out on the sale. Everything is back in stock. Y'all don't need no coupon. Y'all can just go on there. The 50% off is already going to be included in the sale. So don't forget, don't miss out on that sale. And don't forget to leave me a review on my products. And thank y'all for watching my video. Until my next video, y'all stay safe and y'all stay blessed.